Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Next. Red X, sir. There you go. State your name.
Mr. Vickers, before the court charge of domestic violence battery. Do you understand that charge?
Sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true, sir?
Yes, sir.
You indicate you're going to hire your own attorney to represent yourself. Is that how you're going to proceed?
Yes, sir.
All right, Deputy, criminal history.
16 was an ag assault with a deadly weapon or ag bat. 13 DWLSR, 11 DUI.
Bond set at 5,000. No contact with the alleged victim. Court date's going to be October the 13th at 8:30. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Step, wait. Step on the T.
¿Cuánto es el 10%?
How much is 10%?
250.
250.
¿Lo voy a pagar una vez?
Is that different in Spanish? Is 10%
I can
different
pay
in
that
Spanish?
now.
I'm just curious. Jordani, is 10% different in Spanish?
It is not, Your Honor.
If I say 10%, is that different? Is there a different?
There's no difference,
No?
Your Honor. No.
Okay, all right. I was just wondering.
All right.
Look, I am woefully not bilingual.
Una pregunta. En mi cartera traigo el efectivo para pagar una vez.
So I have cash in my wallet. Can I use that to go ahead and pay?
If they'll give him access to his belongings, yes.
Si le permiten acceder a sus pertenencias, sí.
Okay.
Buena suerte.
Next. Next.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I can get into a bar fight in Spanish.
Una pregunta. ¿A quién le
No, no more questions.
pregunto para que me den acceso a mi?
No más preguntas. No más preguntas.
Asta. Yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And
May I
the best
be
way to get
excused?
the best way, well, hold on.
Okay.
Confirm for me that the best way I can get into a bar fight is to add E2 moderate to anything I say.
That sounds about right.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Later.
All right. Is this Mr. Vickers?
Okay.
State your name, sir.
Mr. Vickers, before the court charge of driving under the influence and refusal to submit to a breathalyzer test. You understand the charges, sir?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
You've indicated you're going to hire an attorney to represent yourself. Is that how you're going to proceed?
I'm hiring an attorney, yes.
Okay. Deputy, criminal history.
So he just bonded out with you on Friday for a domestic.
That can't be true. Bond set at 5,000 on DUI, 2,500 on refusal. Court date's going to be October the 18th at 8:30. I'm revoking release in case 23-5293. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
I step to your right to the T.
It's working.
When,
It's working. I knew it would.
next.
It just takes time. That's all we know. Yeah, it won't work.
State
Mr.
your name.
Rogers, how you doing, man?
I'm doing all right. I could be better.
Hey, you could be worse though, right?
That's true.
Okay. Well, Mr. Rogers, you're full of court for possession of paraphernalia. You understand that charge?
I do.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true, ma'am?
No, I was never read my
Today.
Miranda rights
Today.
today.
They didn't tell you,
No.
they didn't tell you your rights today?
They didn't tell me my rights when I was arrested.
That's not the
They didn't
question.
tell me my rights today,
That is a
no, sir.
fiction of TV and movies. They don't have to tell you
Well, they
the
didn't
branch
tell me
rights.
today neither, no, sir.
When I handed you that paper and I was yelling out them words, you weren't paying attention? Oh, okay.
I'm sorry. I did not think that I was advised of my rights.
Well, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, one will be appointed for you. You don't qualify for that though, because you make too much money according to your affidavit. You have the right to make contact with friends and family. So with that being said, Deputy, criminal history?
Chad Marshall holding 16, a battery in Texas in 14.
Okay. All right, Ms. Rogers, I'm going to release you on your recognizance. Court date's going to be October the 18th at 8:30. Good luck, ma'am.
Thank you.
Step to your right to the T. Yep, state your name.
Ms. Dye, you're before the court charged with grand theft of an automobile. Do you understand that charge, ma'am?
Yeah.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Based on your application, you've indicated you're going to hire your own attorney or represent yourself. Is that how you're going to proceed?
My attorney's in Georgia.
What's that?
My attorney's in Georgia. If I can have a public defender, I don't know, this is my first time in jail. I'm gonna do this.
Okay, well, you need to, if you want a public defender, you need to apply for a public defender, and they've got the paperwork for you there. Deputy, criminal history.
She shows no history.
What brings you down here from Georgia?
Get away from Georgia.
Well, that's it. Honestly, that's the best reason. I mean, the best reason to come here is to get away from Georgia. So I am acutely.
Hold on.
I said it out loud.
We're not
And
gonna do
Judge,
that.
she does have a coda. She has a co-defendant, so we would ask for no con.
Well, that's going to be hard if they came down here together.
My cousin lives down here.
All right. Ms. Dye, I'm going to release you on what's called pretrial release. You need to report to the pretrial release office before 9 o'clock tomorrow. Court date's going to be November the 27th at 9 o'clock. No contact with the alleged victim, no contact with the alleged co-defendant.
Thank you.
Step to your right to the T. When the green light comes on, sign. Next. Ready? State your name.
Ms. Dukes, before the court on a violation of probation for what was originally a felony petty theft and a new possession of paraphernalia charge. You understand this?
Yes.
Based on your application, once you do qualify, I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. Any question about that?
No, sir.
All right, ma'am. Clark and his infinite wisdom and glorious hair. And if you have ever seen Judge Clark's hair, you will know what I'm talking about. It is magnificent. It feathers back on both sides and curls in the back. It's just something to behold. It's amazing that a man his age, not that he's old, but still a man his age can flow a mullet like that. He's already held without bond. Your court date is November the 22nd at 9 o'clock. On the paraphernalia, I'm putting a bond of $1,000 so that you get credit. Your court date is October the 18th at 8:30. Good luck.
Step to your right to the T.
I'm not calling Judge Clark old. I'm not. But that is a magnificent head of hair.
Next.
I'm jealous. That's all it is. It's pure jealousy.
I
Amber.
figured that's what it was.
Pure jealousy.
State your name, sir.
Well, Mr. Jones, before the court charged with battery, you understand that charge?
Oh, yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Based on your application, you make too much money to qualify for a public defender, but the law recognizes your financial situation may change, in which case you can reapply later. You also have the option of hiring your own attorney or represent yourself.
Yes, sir.
Deputy, criminal history?
From Alabama, 23 obstruction, public intox, 21 credit card fraud, 17 meth controlled substance times 3. It goes back to 13 with a controlled substance and a distribution.
Mr. Jones, what brings you down here to Bay County?
I've been on vacation, and my boss man and my girlfriend, and all the boss man kids. I live
Okay.
in Dover. I got a good job and all those. I don't know what I'll do now. Dude, I ain't gonna lose my job for this, because my boss will do my boss man. The guy that actually hit punched in the forehead, he actually lives with me. He doesn't.
Allegedly, punched in the forehead,
Basically,
right?
my uncle.
Allegedly.
Yeah, he's basically my uncle.
Okay.
He's back at dementia.
All right. Well,
He's trying to get you to stop talking.
let's not make any more admissions.
But
Let's not admit any more crimes on the record while we're representing ourselves.
yes, sir.
So you from Webb?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alabama or Auburn?
Alabama.
Roll Tide,
At this
Mr.
point,
Brown.
does it matter?
It does.
Why?
Yes. Are you kidding me? They are not alike. Okay. Look, we can have the worst year we've ever had, and we aren't them. I'm just telling you.
Are you really doing this now?
Yeah, absolutely now. And this is Tennessee Hate Week. So just buckle up, because the closer we get to Saturday, the worse it's going to get. All right. Bond set at 1,500. No contact with the alleged victim. Court date is going to be Wednesday, October the 18th at 8:30. Good luck, Mr. Sir.
All right, step to your right to the T.
Oh yeah.
When the green light comes on, son.
Ramp it up.
State your name, sir.
It's the inside of you. You can throw it. It's not even a good orange. It's an ugly orange. It's a faded, nasty, horrible orange.
I like the color orange.
No. What orange do you like though? You like burnt orange? You like bright orange? You don't like that pale Tennessee
All
orange?
of them. All of
No.
them.
Man, bro.
I'm telling you, how you gonna tell me what I?
I'm just telling you that nobody likes that orange. It's not in
actually
anybody's
have.
fault. It's you wear it to the game on Saturday, deer hunting on Sunday, and picking up trash on the side of the road the rest of the week. Come
See how
on.
you at now? See how you at now?
You know what?
It's
do you
Monday.
Know why? I know. Do you know why I know that the toothbrush was invented in Tennessee?
Why?
Because if it had been invented anywhere else, it'd be called the teeth brush. All right, Mr. Cooper.
not.
Before the court charges domestic violence battery and a violation of probation for trespass on school and domestic violence battery. You understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Based on your application, I find that you do qualify for the service of the public defender's office. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. Any question about that?
Sir.
All right, sir. On the domestic violence battery, bonds 5,000, no contact directly, indirectly, or through a third party alleged victim. And on the violation of probation, I'm going to order you held without bond. Your court date's going to be November the 1st at 1:30.
Step to your right to the T. Red X. Up on the X. There you go. Face the TV. State your name.
Mr. Weaver, you're for the court charge domestic violence battery. Do you understand that charge? I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. That's true?
Yes, sir.
Based on your application, finds you do qualify. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender representative. So you have an attorney now. Any question about that?
Yes, sir.
Deputy, criminal history?
He shows no history.
You want to say something?
I don't, like, I want us to be able to talk.
Mm-mm. No talking. Y'all need some cooling off. Okay? This is the first time anything like this has ever happened? Okay. If it's really the first time that anything like this has ever happened, then y'all still need some cooling off, okay? Because it obviously escalated too far. Because I see the pictures. Okay? All right. Is that y'all son? Together? Congratulations, Mr. Weaver. Your son's singing in stripes. It's a hell of a thing, isn't it? I don't know if you're angry or sad or what, but
I'm not saying, I'm not saying this. I ain't mad, I ain't mad, sir. Yes, sir.
all right, Matt. I'm gonna release you on what's called pre-trial release. You need to report to the pre-trial release office before 9 o'clock tomorrow. Sign up for the program. Your court date's gonna be October the 18th at 8:30. You'd have no contact directly, indirectly, or through a third party with Margaret. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna see you Wednesday morning. You and I are gonna have another talk on the record. All right?
Sir.
Good luck.
Step to your right to the